Welcome back everybody into another daily recap. Today is the start of the week, is the 26th of February, a Monday, and we're going to have a look at what happened today mainly on GBPUSD and gold. I was monitoring also GBPJPY mainly throughout the London session, but I only spotted one setup, and we can already see the results of today were not good. After the backtesting of this weekend, here there's no stop loss, the pips of the stop loss. Okay, so but yeah, basically I adapted my setup into having, for example, on GBPUSD having a 5 pip stop loss and so for example like this 5 pip stop loss and a 10 pip TP instead of the 3 pip stop loss and 10 pip TP as I had before, because if you saw the video, I don't know if I posted even, I was analyzing that based on the trades of February standalone, I would have had more profits and less losses, basically from that thing, giving the trade more space to breathe before then going in the direction, and but keeping the same TP, not like going for still a 3-to-1. That would be basically having a 2-to-1 risk to reward compared to a 3-to-1. So let's see how it goes. Today it went not very well. I was using the same lot size as before, but with a bigger stop loss. So hitting three stop losses. So you can see 5, 5, and 15 instead of 3, 3, and 10. The losses overall for the day were bigger. And then I had a break-even trade that we're going to have a look now. So let's start that, since we are already here, from GBPUSD. Start of the session. Actually, the first thing that I saw in the morning was on GBPJPY, and it was this price action at the after the London Open. This is 1 hour after London Open. This one, yeah, this is even later on. And I mean, the start of the session was very slow, so not moving too much. So when I saw this price breaking above, that's when I thought, okay, this could be a possible break and retest. And in this case, it would have been for at least 15-20 pips. For example, on GBPJPY, I haven't back testing it, but I don't know if I should use like an 8 pip stop loss or a full 10 pip and a 20 pips TP. So this is just a setup. This one was like 17, 18, or maybe 20, even 20 pips, but that was just the first setup on GBPJPY. Then, as you can see over here, this was basically 1 hour later. So after the GBPUSD failed to break above, and at the same time that it was happening on GBPJPY, I saw this possible breakout, but I wasn't really trusting this breakout, so I didn't place a buy limit at these highs, and that would be okay, because it would have been after all a loss, because price would go and grab some more liquidity. I don't know, maybe the loss is not, I could have taken a different entry. Sometimes I used to use, like, instead of these old highs, use the most recent ones. So probably, for example, having it over here or over here, this one would have been a win, or a break-even one. Yeah, probably a break-even one, because the price needed to grab liquidity a little bit further down to make like at least a 50% retracement of this overall bullish move before pushing up. But I was ready to take the entry after this breakout, because after seeing this very, very bullish sequence of events over here, very nice, multiple minutes with bullish price action. Look here how much better it would be. I saw the breakout of this entry, breakout of these highs, and I placed a buy limit over there. And this one I can show you over here. You can see that I placed a buy limit exactly at these highs, but the price would just miss it by a little bit. I was also pondering about taking it manually over here, just entering manually. This entry would go around 7-8 pips, so at least would be a break-even one, but at least would not be a loss. After that, of course, I removed my limit after that, and it would have bounced, but still around 3 pips. So after that, the second entry, after this strong bearish reaction, especially at an hourly PSA, that will be a loss. So unlucky the first entry, but good that I have removed the actual limit after that. Here, as you can see, happened the same thing. Very strong bullish sequence of events. No retest whatsoever, no retest of any PSA. I don't know how I could have entered physically over here. Maybe here gave a little bit of a retest, but it was very fast and just bullish per section. And maybe on the 20-tick chart it gave something. We're going to watch it, but as soon as it broke above, I placed my buy limit over here, exactly at this candle eyes. But after seeing that it got missed twice and go 5 pips and then push down, I removed it. It will get activated, will get triggered at these lows, just a 1 pip of drawdown, and then it will go basically, I don't know if that's the thing, because the high of this candle was 1.26997, and I saw that my pending order at the TP at 998, so much less than, it's basically 0.1 or 0.001 just missed. So then we were pushed back down to break even. I don't know if I would have been a win manually taken out or what, but yeah. Then we go into the first trade of the day. So price is getting this rejection, these highs, is breaking below these lows here, but it's also breaking below these lows with a further bearish correction. Trying to take advantage of the correction, possibly we have enough range to fill, because this one is more than enough for me, for my trade to play out. You see, it's 13 pips, so even if it's pushing back here, or even if it's just reacting at this area, I'm at break even, so I don't care. But yeah, I take my entry, very good, I'm fine with that. It just goes to 5 pips. This is one of those cases where a 3 pip stop loss would have been better, but that's just the case. After that, price would just face another rejection at these highs, break below these lows. Here, probably something I could have done better, because I took the retest of these old lows, which is on looking at the left hand side is the PSA that I was using as a reference. Price would only go like 2 pips and then push back up. We'll push like 7 pips and then continue down. But yeah, the things that just looking at now, probably it was a little bit too greedy, too optimistic to have this retest, especially if I'm not. You see that it goes to retest the actual last area of interest, and that's something that I should know, but it depends. Sometimes I think it reacts here, sometimes it reacts over there, so that's where the confusion often comes. And yeah, this one would of course be a win, and yeah, that's the second loss. So first loss, second loss after seeing the further rejection, and probably just mistakenly using the wrong PSA, just that. After that, we see another reaction, the pullback coming in. Maybe there's some space for early break below, but yeah, I'm not really that kind of. I don't know, because my price might make a double bottom and then continue up. But when I saw this break below these lows, bam, bam, I immediately took it, and that was a very good entry over here, sell limit. And the thing is that price will go to 9 pips exactly, react at these lows, and then push up, going at break even. I would have, if I was watching it live, I would have taken it probably out manually, because after 2 losses over just here, I would have wanted some profit to close at least at break even, because also on gold, which made some similar thing. For example, on gold, you only needed 2 taps of these highs before them pushing down. This would have been a nice entry, but I didn't see it. What I took was a sort of, I would say, a bad, because of the position. I took a sell limit which was in the middle of the area. I was using this candle wick instead of this lower wick. This one would be safe, and then it would go basically to 26, at least at the break even. Instead of taking it in the middle. I know that the hourly also gave some reaction, but I don't know, it's not a definite PSA that I should take really, as you can see how It's not really something that on a lower time frame I should take as a reference for an entry. But yeah, so an entry over here instead of down there would have been safe, and then I go to break even at least instead of having a full loss. And I just wanted to very quickly see this on the 20-tick chart. This all, yeah, so this bullish move was nice because it's also retested the same highs. So that was quite interesting, I would say. But if I go over here, yeah, retested these ones, but it's not like a definite area. Yeah, and apart from that, nothing really not much of a difference, I would say. You see how here it went, instead of having it here, if I had it over there, wanted to test the last interesting area, because especially because this area, yes, it is a PSA, but it's not really such high volume times. But yeah, depends, it really depends. And this entry was good, but yeah, quite unlucky. Yeah, apart from that, guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you tomorrow.